Waikiki Fall Festival in Hawaii is a feast for the taste buds. Imagine strolling through a vibrant atmosphere filled with over 140 vendors. With so many options, it's tough to choose. Would you go for the succulent, juicy pork grilled to perfection? Or perhaps the barbecue chicken, marinated in tropical flavors, sizzling away? Then something caught my eye. Burgers, sliders, and crispy fried chicken. But the real surprise was a freshly cooked pineapple stir-fried rice, topped with tender shrimp and a perfectly cooked egg. What would you try first? The festival is a true foodie adventure waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Want to dive deeper? Check out our full-length video right here. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way. So join our community and be part of the journey.